Three.
Today I am going to show you cross cut veni making with kakada flowers and with artificial roses on the request of many people. Required materials are kakada flowers, artificial red and green roses, scissor, thread. Take thread 3 times length which you want veni length. Thread to a rod with 2 knots like this. Next, keep 2 kakada flowers like this with support of finger, tie it, and then red and green rose flowers, tie it. Keep the flowers in the position of thread with the support of finger, tie it. Repeat the same procedure until you get required length. When keeping this, keep the same color one side. Keep green flower to the left and red to the right. Here, keep red flower to the left. Repeat the same until you get required length of veni. Finally, you will get veni like this. Thank you.